So how do you make money with YouTube? That is another question I get asked a lot. And quite frankly, there's a lot of different ways people are doing it. Let me kind of describe it for you so you can kind of pick a path. What I do, obviously, is I teach people little bits of information and I offer them solutions in my links that are either in my description, elsewhere, where they can actually solve the problems that I'm talking to them about. And this is how you would do affiliate marketing. You would pick a product, you'd talk about that product, maybe you'd do a screen capture of the product itself, and then in the description box below, you'd offer a solution to that problem as in the form of an affiliate link that would drive traffic to that page on a continuous basis because your videos continue to get viewed for a long time, especially if you know how to optimize them, which is why you might want to think about YouTube CB, which is a product that's coming out in August of 2019. So they make money off of that affiliate marketing, and then it can make your house payment if you're tenacious with it. And the thing is as YouTube videos don't deliver tons of traffic immediately, but over time, as you continue to produce them, they snowball because the videos stay active. They continue to get views. Some of the videos I have are 3 years old, are still getting hundreds of views a month. And I just go in and change the description and add new links and stuff like that to those videos because what I want to promote or how I want to promote changes with time. So I just look at the videos and see who's getting the activity using YouTube stats program, which is why you might want to consider YouTube CV when it comes out in August, because we teach you all that stuff, and it's really kind of a scientific now as compared to an art form. Well, that's one method. Another method is, and you'll see this really in like the supplement business. You'll find guys that are bodybuilders and stuff that are advertising how to use supplements in particular, or steroids and stuff like that, and they just talk about it in not as a doctor but as somebody with experience, and they share their personal experience or the experience of people they know until they build an audience up as somebody who has knowledge about that particular supplement. Someone like Dr. Berg here at YouTube, who's got like almost 1.2 million followers, he teaches you a lot about ketogenic dieting, about the importance of having the healthy living to stay thin and lean, especially as you get older. And I love his videos. His stuff is extremely educational. And then, of course, he's branding himself as an expert in this area. Okay, the branding is important here. And then he recommends his shop below where he sells certain supplements to solve some of these issues. And I have bought some, and they all work, and they're good stuff. And I recommend Dr. Berg all the time. And see, when people get happy with something, they start to respond very positively and recommend it over and over and over, and the whole thing grows very quickly. Okay, the third way people make money on YouTube is to build up a large following on what's going on in their niche, in their interests, for example. Let's say the movie trailers, or they're reviewing books, or they're showing how to cook food is a big one. So you'll see thousands upon thousands of videos coming up on how to barbecue a steak, you name it. Now, what they do with those videos is they allow AdSense ads from YouTube to show during their video, usually at the beginning, maybe in the middle, and they make a percentage of money off of those AdSense ads. So let's say that that video gets seen 30, 40,000 times. I mean, these guys are able to produce videos that are getting millions of views, and they're making $3,000-$4,000 on a video, and they do that 2-3 times a week. If they have a great big following and they know how to optimize their video, and they can create compelling content that people want to watch all the way to the end. That's actually not a bad idea for anybody. I mean, you can, if you have a cell phone, you can take pictures of your cat being silly or whatever, and create a channel on your cat being silly. Or if you live in let's say you live in the Riviera and you want to take pictures of, as you travel around Italy, you can, or France, Italy, wherever, you can generate a lot of following and an awful lot of um, business or people watching your videos all the way to the very end because of that uh, is attracted to them. One of my favorite things to watch is I like movies, so I watch movie videos or trailers or reviews. Awesome. And some of those videos get 50, 60, 70,000 people. Now, those producers of those reviews are usually very dynamic, interesting people, and it's fun to watch their videos. So you're there to kind of learn about the movie and their opinion about the movie and the theory crafting that's going on, but you're also being entertained by them. So, I mean, if you got that sort of personality where you can just kind of yak and make people thrilled to listen to you, then, it's not a bad way to go. So those are 3 ways that you can use YouTube to make money. What we're going to teach at YouTube CB is how to monetize affiliate traffic, because that's something I'm very familiar with. That's something I teach with my email marketing. You could take our free, see what I'm doing now, free training on email arbitrage, sell a bunch of traffic, make a little bit of money, invest it into your YouTube channel, or invest it into tools that you need for YouTube, and sit there and make hilarious videos all day long and do very well. Your choice. Have a great day.